Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will share with you how you can create your generate video useful vidful. This is great tool, guys. You can generate your video by from image or from text and write here your prompt, guys. A quick prompt, for example, guys, this woman with her using her laptop on coffee. And what you write your script, a small script here, just click generate. And after that, this is video, guys, that I generated with this prompt. And this is your beautiful tools, guys, beautiful you can use and you can create your video easily. As you can see here, this is the video, guys, and this is good, beautiful video you can use to your activity and your work and your anything you can to do. This is how you can generate video, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe, like, share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. And you can, guys, share this video or social media easily.